Good evening, all. Now, from today, we will start a tutorial for Python. In the first tutorial of today, we will see a very important thing. A query often comes that whenever we have to start Python, that from where to install the compiler, from where to get the interpreter. Python is basically an interpreted language. So there are different ways where we can write down the Python program. You can use any online interpreter also to write down the Python program. You can write it down in your notepad also. But as Python is a language which is known as a powerful language which is used for many fields, be it data science, be it machine learning. So we recommend that to use Python because we have to use Python for the applied field afterwards. So we recommend Python. We recommend that to use Python, you use a distribution which is called Anaconda. Now the query often comes that how do we install Anaconda and how do we install Python? So let's see that from where we have to begin. As you can see on the screen, the first step is to start learning Python that we have to install Anaconda, which is a distribution which have many lots of packages. So you will open this website anaconda.com and then you will go to products and individual edition. When you go to individual edition, you will get this type of screen. You don't have to download the data science toolkit. You see that Anaconda is an open source. It contains different Conda packages which can be used for Conda, R, Python and many different packages. Just keep on scrolling down. Then there are different IDEs which are supported by Anaconda. For example, for Python you can use Spider, you can use Jupyter. All these IDEs come as a package when we install Anaconda. We scroll more down and we go to this button which says install Anaconda. Just click on install Anaconda. Then depending upon your system, whether you are using Windows, whether you are using Mac, whether you are using Linux, and it gives the latest version of Python which is 3.8 when this recording is being made. You choose your version, for example Windows, download the Anaconda, and then after downloading the setup, just as it is a normal process, just do different clicks, choose C drive. It is recommended as the program folder where you have to install the Anaconda. And after finishing the installation of Anaconda, I am not installing it because it is already there in my system. After finishing the installation of Anaconda, what you have to do is just go to your Windows, and then when you will search, you will find an option Anaconda Navigator. Open this Anaconda Navigator, and once you open the Anaconda Navigator, as you can see, it will take some few time depending on the speed of the system. This navigator is opening, as you can see on the screen. It is initializing and it is adding featured channels. It is written, it is loading user, loading applications, and soon you will find that Anaconda Navigator is opened. Now this is Anaconda Navigator has opened. When you will open the navigator, we recommend to use Spider as an ID to work on for Python. We will take Spider in the next video. What you have to do is you will choose this Spider, and instead of launch, what will be written? It would be written install. You have to click on install and then follow next, and the Spider would be installed in your system. Now what is a Spider? A Spider is basically a Python integrated development environment. It is the environment where you can write down your Python code and run Python code. So all these IDs, Jupyter, Jupyter Lab, GlueWiz, Orange 3, RStudio, all VS Code, this comes by default with Anaconda. So this is how you have to install Anaconda and install Spider. Now in the next video we will see that how do we use Spider. So that's all for today. Watch the next video. where we will cover that how do we use Spider, what are two different modes for Python. Thank you.